YouTube, what's good? It's your guy Hitch. It is the first day of February, which means most of us have to pay rent or mortgage, but we all have a bunch of kicks to look forward to this month, regardless if NBA All-Star happens or not. You got the neutral gray 85 Chicago 1s, the Clock 14s, Carmine 6s, possibly the dark russet dunk highs, and the Bert and Ernie PG 5s. Yep, I got inspired again by Sesame Street. So last year I gave you guys the Oscar the Grouch Air Forces, and now with the crazy options available for the PG5 IDs, it only made sense to take advantage of them. The new Nike Bayou options that I'm referring to allows you to have mismatching uppers for the PG5s. So being that Bert is yellow and Ernie is orange, I thought this was perfect. So the left shoe has Amarillo uppers to match Bert's face. The tongue is done in team orange to match his nose. And then I chose the oval clover laces to match the stripes in his shirt. The right shoe, I did the uppers in team orange to match Ernie's face. The tongue in university red to match his nose. And I chose the oval Amarillo laces to match the stripes in his shirt.
Terror to rock, smooth criminal and gambling spots. Shoot dice to kill time, life handle but watch. Be careful where you bustin' your box. Narcos got the drop from snitching niggas with their hands in the pot.
They do have some color similarities in their clothing, so I chose the Rush Blue for the 4-foot overlay and on the foxing, along with the University Red swooshes on the heel and on the toe boxes. Now, their eyes and hair is pretty much the same for the most part, so the inside lining of the sneakers are done in black with a white PG logo on the tongue, and I used the white for the heel webbing as well. Now, shout out to Nike for giving us up to 8 characters on the webbing, so I was able to fit both of their names on each shoe. And I kept that same combination going to finish the shoe out using a white midsole along with black outsoles.
We was banging on the table clips, grinding beat. Lunchtime, broke days, Uncle Will, hook it up. Lunch line, got a couple dollars, get hot wings and cheese fries. Split it with my niggas, same homie since need.
I mentioned this in the Beetlejuice Kyrie 7 video, and if you haven't watched that yet, go do that. But Nike Bayou / Nike ID is back, and from what it looks like, Nike's not letting up, which is great. I'm loving it. The only thing I can ask for and beg for is Nike, please give us another shot or 2 or 3 at the Dunk Bayous. Them joints sold out way too fast and I did not get to make a pair, but it's that time of the video. Go hit the comments, rate these on a scale of 1 to 5. Let me know what you guys think about them. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know when I got new videos dropping. I am out.
Graduated Pledge Omega, Jersey in the Raptors, Fresh Prince of Painville, biddies from Alaska. Kelly bought me breakfast, I ain't even have to ask her. Becky from economics did my taxes. I caught a body, I ain't even had to love her.